So today I'm going to teach you how you can fix Roblox status which has not been charged. So on to the first step, you're going to go to Roblox as it's here. You're going to check whether that problem has been fixed. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So if you are unlucky and you find out that it has not been fixed, you're going to go to robloxstatus.com. Click here on the first link, and then you're going to find that all systems are operational and they have been updated a few seconds ago. Now, if this still does not work, you're going to consider coming here a few days later or restarting your laptop. And if this does not work, then you're going here, you're going to go to help and safety, and then you might consider calling customer care. And that is how it's done. I hope you find this content useful and consider subscribing.